Hey you guys, and welcome back. Today is going to be my August inspired makeup look. So I'm going to be using all of the products that I have chosen to wear throughout the month of August. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and let's just go ahead and get started. Again, I'm using natural lighting just because I actually kind of liked the way that it looked, like this whole setup looked in some previous videos that I filmed, so I decided just to do it again in this video. So we are filming in natural lighting today. I'm gonna start off by priming my face with the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion in the shade Deep Glow. I haven't used this in a really long time, like I'm pretty sure since last summer, and I would normally have been using my Milani one, but like their soft focus glow, but I wanted something that was a little bit more bronzy. I want to blend this in with my fingers. It gives my skin a really nice bronzed look. It's not too deep though, so I feel like if you have a little bit of a tan, this would look really nice. It is a little bit deeper than my face right now, but it matches my like shoulders. This is kind of like a lotion and a primer in one. They have a bunch of other colors as well. I just picked the deepest shade so that I could wear it in the summertime. For foundation, I don't even know if I want to wear foundation, but I haven't worn foundation at all in like the last probably 10 of my videos. I've only been wearing concealer to cover up and spot conceal, but I think I'm going to go in with some foundation today. Can't decide if I want to use the NYX tinted skin veil from their Bear With Me line, or if I want to go in with the stick foundation from Maybelline. I don't know. I think I'm going to go in with the stick foundation. I might regret this, but I think it's going to match me a little bit better right now than this guy. I'm just going to apply some dots on my face. I don't want a whole bunch of coverage. I just want a little bit. Oh, it's so weird. I haven't worn foundation in so long. It feels kind of weird. I'm going to blend it in with my Real Techniques. I think it's called their sculpting brush. And I only did a thin layer of this foundation because I didn't want anything super thick or heavy on my skin. And this is in the shade 220 Natural Beige, which normally it would be too dark for me. Like I definitely messed up my shade match when I bought it, but I think now with like my tan on my arm and stuff like that, I think it looks fine. My face isn't normally tan as much compared to the rest of my body, so I always find that I have to buy darker shades in the summer to make my face match my shoulders and my chest and stuff. I'm going to apply some concealer, just my usual concealer. This is the one from L'Oreal, their Age Perfect line. And I'm actually only going to apply this in the center of my face and not spot conceal today because I've already applied that foundation. I'm mainly using this concealer to brighten the center of my face and just kind of cover up my dark circles. Bronzer is my Physicians Formula Sculpting Bronzer in the shade Toffee, the same product that I've been using for like the last 3 months straight. I just can't stop using it, and I don't want to pick something else because I just love this bronzer so much. Just the perfect shade match for me, and it also blends into my skin really nicely. So it's really easy to work with, especially if you're kind of new to cream products. This one's really nice because it's just so easy to blend and play with. Blush. Can't decide. Like I don't know if I want to go with something peachy. I think I'm going to go with this one, which is from NYX. It's the Bear With Me Hydrating Cheek Tint. Picked this one for August because it is cooling, and I feel like that would be nice as the days get hotter. It's kind of nice to use something that is more hydrating. Just gonna blend that out with the same brush that we used for our foundation and bronzer. to set my concealer, I'm just gonna go in with my Milani Prep Set and Glow as per usual. So I've just used that powder to set the areas where I applied that concealer. I'm gonna spritz my face. I'm going to go in and do my eyebrows. I'll probably do them all off camera, and then I will come back and we'll do the eyes. Oh my god, I just had to stop filming for like 15 minutes because the fire alarm went off again, and it's been going off continuously for like the last day and a half. Like it went off yesterday at 5, it went off last night at 1:30 and woke me up, and then it just went off now, and now you can probably hear the fire trucks outside. I didn't go downstairs because I know it's not a fire because it's been going off continuously and it's never a fire, and I think it's just a glitch in the system. But anyway, during that time I sprayed my face with my Catrice setting spray, I did my eyebrows, and I also applied some eye primer to my eyelids, and now I'm going to go in with my palette of the month, which is this guy from NYX. It's the Ultimate Shadow Palette in the shade Phoenix. I'm so sorry for filming with the sirens. I'm so sorry. Maybe I'm gonna cut this out and just show you guys what I'm using because that is really annoying, I know. Okay, I couldn't wait any longer. The truck was still making so much noise outside, so I just shut my window and I'm gonna just deal with the heat so I can finish off this video. I feel like it did not go as planned because I was gonna chat with you guys and kind of make it more of a chatty video, but yeah, hope you liked the music. So I just did finish the eye look. I ended up adding some black eyeliner that I did not show on camera. I'm gonna go in with a lipstick now. This is Seduction by NYX. It's one of their push-up lingerie lipsticks. I don't know if it's the exact color I wanted, but we'll see. And that is the completed makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you as always for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Please subscribe if you would like to see more videos, and I will see you in my next one.